who is the most happiest person in this planet? I'm sure generally most of us will say that a person who owns a big bungalow, a person who has a lot of money, a person who owns Mercedes, BMW, Audi, etc. is the most happiest person. But believe me friends, that is not true. All these things are secondary, and the important thing is a person who is healthy is the most happiest person in this planet. Friends, now important thing is, like, see, just imagine, if you are healthy, you will be happy. If you are not healthy, how can you be happy? So health is very important. Now the second important thing is, what is health? Who can be considered as healthy? What is the definition of perfect health? So friends, there is a beautiful shlok saying samadoshaha samagnishya samadhatu malakriyaha prasanna atmendriyaha manaha swasthamiti abhidhyate. That means when all the three doshas and all the seven tissues or dhatus of the body, and when the agni or when the digestion is functioning in a normal way, when our soul, when our mind, when our sense organs are all happy and all in a pleasant way, then definitely the person is said to be healthy. Friends, among all these things, the digestion or the evacuation of bowel is very important, because if your digestion is healthy, if your digestion is proper, then all these things are connected, then definitely the person will be healthy. Friends, just imagine a day or two when you were not able to evacuate your bowel, when you were constipated. What did you feel like? You were bloated, you were angry, you were irritated, you were not able to focus on things, you were sleepy, you were distracted. And if this constipation is not treated for a long time, it leads to severe illnesses like hyperacidity, lot of gases, irritable bowel syndrome, piles, fistula, various skin problems. So friends, treating constipation or getting rid of constipation is very important. Let me share with you all today a very powerful home remedy and some diet changes which will definitely help you to get rid out of this constipation problem faster and quicker. What we need to do? First, we need to change our diet. As I said, what we need to do in our diet, we need to take lot of vegetables in our diet, moong dal, for 15 to 20 days, because this will help for the ama or the toxins to get out of your system, to flush out of your system. And in this, you just add 2 to 3 teaspoonful of cow's ghee, that is clarified butter, plus take ginger water. Take some ginger, grate it and boil it in water, and drink this 3 to 4 glasses of ginger throughout the day. At the same time, try eating lot of vegetables except for potatoes, tomatoes, brinjal. Rest all the vegetables are fine. Drink more of lukewarm water throughout the day. Avoid wheat and wheat products. Take more of barley or jaw in your diet. Avoid sour, fermented and deep fried food, because they are the reason for the constipation. They are the reason for digestion to get low. Avoid heavy food items and try to avoid milk and milk products. But in generally, you can have buttermilk. In fact, you can take buttermilk daily. In fruits, incorporate papaya, because papaya will help to get rid of the toxins faster. And let me share now a very powerful home remedy with you all. So friends, number one home remedy for constipation or for getting rid of constipation is take 250 gram of flax seeds, or in Hindi we call alsi ke dane. Roast it in a frying pan and roast it for, let's say, roast it till it changes little color, and put it in an airtight container. And daily in the morning, take 1 tablespoonful with warm water for at least 30 to 45 days. And second thing is, soak 2 anjeer or 2 figs daily in the morning, and around 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock take this anjeer daily for again 30 to 45 days. Friends, by doing these changes, changing your diet and following these 2 home remedies, believe me, many people have got benefited from coming out of their constipation problem. And I'm sure if you practice this, definitely you will come out of this constipation problem faster and quicker. Thank you.